good morning to all of you, dear class 5 children. Today we are going to begin a new lesson in maths, and this is called data handling. This is not data, this is called data, which means information. When you are given a set of information, how do you handle it? How do you convert? And how do you draw a conclusion out of it is called data handling. So this is the meaning of data handling. Say for an example, you have got few pairs of pigeons, doves, goats, lamb, and other birds, hen, pigeon, sparrow, a few number of these birds and animals. And if you are asked to convert this in terms of a table and draw a conclusion out of it, here you will require the concept of data handling. Okay, so a given data, a given set of informations, we will frame a table out of it. We will count the total number of birds and animals falling to it, or for that matter any raw data or information, and then we shall draw a conclusion. So that is the concept of data handling. This is maths for class 5, and this is exercise number 14.1. It's on exercise is on page number 248. Page 248. Okay, so I will read the first question for you. The list of pets sold by a pet shop is given below. So there is a table, and in this table these all are the name of the pets sold by a pet shop. Okay, he sells or he has sold rabbit, pigeon, mouse, pigeon, dog, goldfish, rabbit, goldfish, this way. Okay, so that means several times the animals have been repeated, so those many number of animals have been sold. So from this given data, let us frame a table. How I have written answer number 1. What I have written is name of animal in the first column, then you have tally mark, and then total number. Okay, total number you know, and name of the animals you will understand. Tally mark means we will draw line, and each small line will represent one number of that particular bird or animal, that particular pet. Like first is the rabbit, pigeon, mouse, pigeon, rabbit, pigeon, mouse, pigeon. Okay, so one each. Rabbit, pigeon, mouse, pigeon, rabbit, pigeon, mouse, pigeon, dog, goldfish, rabbit, goldfish, dog, goldfish, rabbit, goldfish. Then you have cat, dog, dog, cat, cat, dog, dog, cat. Then rabbit, goldfish, dog, rabbit, rabbit, goldfish, dog, rabbit, rabbit, goldfish, dog, rabbit. Yeah. Okay, remember after fourth, once you have 4 in number, the fifth one you will not draw another line, but once you have drawn 4, then the fifth one should be this means 5. So 1 2 3 4, and this is 5. Then 6th one will be like this, 7th one will be this, continue. Once again it will go, and then the next one will be like this. Okay, then you will continue. So this is to be treated as 5. Alright, so next one is dog, cat, pigeon, dog, 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 cat, pigeon, dog. Okay, so let's try to understand this. When I say dog as the fifth one, I cut this, so it means the fifth one, and then once again when dog came, then I drew another line. So this is the sixth one. This is 5 and 1 6. Then mouse, cat, goldfish, mouse, mouse, cat, goldfish, mouse. Then pigeon, dog, cat, dog, pigeon, dog, cat, dog. Okay, so this is the tally mark. Now count. Rabbit, you have got 4 in number. Then you have dog, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8 in number. And then you have cat, 5 in number. then mouse 3, pigeon 4, and this goldfish 4. So what is the total number coming? 4 plus 8, 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4. Total is 4 and 4 8, 8 and 3 11, 11 and 5 16, 16 and 8 24, and 4 is 28. So if you see there are 28 animals here. There are only 5-6 types of animals, but 26 items are sold. So numbers would come as same. Okay. So this is the tabulation. This is only the tabulation part. And once the tabulation is over, once this tabulation is over, we shall answer the question based on this table. The first question just below it. Now tabulate the given data and answer these questions. Which animal is the most sold pet? Which animal is most sold is this? It, dog. So the first answer is dog. Second is, how many pets sold were more than 5 in number? More than 5 is only this animal sold. So how many animals? Only one animal, and that one animal, and that is dog. And number 3, which is the least bought pet? Least bought pet, least is this, and this stands for cat. Oh, this stands for dog. This is for this one, this one, this one, this one. Dog is. This is for mouse. So least sold pet is mouse. And the last one, how many more dogs were sold than cats? How many more dogs were sold than cats? Number of dogs minus cats. Dogs is 8 and cats are 5. So that means 3. So 3 more dogs were sold than the number of the cats. So this is the answer. Answer to the first condition. Alright. Read the condition, tabulate it, make the table, and answer the question this way. You will have to copy the question. Though I have not done it, you will have to copy the question and answer in this way. This is called the data handling. Now children, this is number 1. Number 2, 3 and 4 are also there. One I will do, the remaining you need to do it yourself. Alright? So now I am going to do question number 2. Now question number 2. In the question number 2, look at this picture. When you answer this, or whenever you are listening to this, books should be ready in your hand for reference. Now look at this question number 2. Here, tabulate the given data in the box. That means you have to make only the table. This is the table. This is the solution answer to question number 2. This table only you have to make. What do you see here is, you have to first, there are shapes. How many shapes are there? There is circle. This is the circle. Then you have a star. And then you have a triangle. And this is the diamond. This is the diamond. 4 sided figure. And you have 2 diagonals and 4 spiky ends. This is the diamond. So I have written here. Now see, it will be confusing for you. So it's better is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 circles are there. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many total? 7 circles are there. Then you have stars. How many stars are there? In yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total is 7. This one also is 7. Then you have a triangle. Triangle 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see only 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles are there. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles are there. And at the end you have got diamond. Diamond is this red in color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diamonds are there. 5 diamond. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 diamonds are there, and this is the end of this question number 2. It's very simple. Look at the picture, frame the table, write the item, then make tally mark and just calculate and write in total number. This is called tabulation. In question number 2, you have to only tabulate. Alright, so this is question number 2. Now get ready for question number 3.